So this was the simple product that I created and made sales. It's called Elevate Your Email Marketing with ChatGPT. And I sold this on the Warrior Plus platform and I was quite pleased with the results. So it almost it got 34 sales in it, almost got to $400. So I'll show you how I created that product. So it all started a piece of PLR content that I bought, or it could have been a free product, I can't remember. But basically my favorite PLR seller produced this document, and it was called Discover How ChatGPT Can Transform Your Email Marketing. So I basically gave my product a new title. I used ChatGPT to come up with that title actually. Elevate Your Email Marketing with ChatGPT. And what I did was I basically produced this whole document with my own kind of take on it, my own flavor, using ChatGPT. So for example, this section here, where he says, let ChatGPT brag a little, and he's typed in a prompt here. I've done the same thing, but I've done it on video. So we can see here, one of my video files is called Let ChatGPT Brag a Little. So if I open that up now and I'll go into it and let's have a look at the video. So if we have a look at the text here, let ChatGPT brag a little. It's obvious that since ChatGPT is a text generator, it'll be able to churn out emails for you. But what type of emails can it create? Let's ask it. So now let's look at my video. Turn the volume on a bit so we can hear it. It's obvious that since ChatGPT is a text generator, it'll be able to churn out emails for you. But what type of emails can it create? Let's ask it. So this is where I'm going to give ChatGPT some instructions. So I'm going to say, I think 2 columns. And I want to put 10 points in each column. And descriptions. Are not necessary. So you can see I've given it the same prompts as in the document, and it's churning out fairly similar information for me in ChatGPT. So basically I'm using ChatGPT on camera as opposed to just putting screenshots in the document. So I'm videoing the whole thing using my screen recording software, which is Camtasia Studio. And it pretty much carried on like that for each video that I produced. So for example, this one, he's talking about a ClickBank product called Java Burn, and I basically followed the same thing in my product. We're going to start looking at creating an email marketing plan. So let's assume for a moment that we're in the coffee niche and we want to promote one of the top selling products, and it's called Java Burn. And I'm taking the prompts, the ChatGPT prompts in the document, and I'm putting those in ChatGPT on camera, and I'm recording it. And this was the sales page I created. And a lot of this, a lot of the sales text on here was created using ChatGPT. So it came up with some suggestions and things for some of the sales talk here. And I created a little video here. We've now entered the age of AI. Yeah, and that was the video that went along with it. And also I got some affiliates on board. So these were some of the affiliates that came in. And then I launched the product. So on Warrior Plus we have the funnel. This is the main product here. And I also added in an upsell product called How to Make Money with ChatGPT. It was a video course with white label rights. So both these products, the main product and the upsell, were white label, PLR, which means they can basically take the course themselves and sell it or do whatever they want with it. And there was a third part to it here, another offer here where they could get 100% commissions if they partner with me. So this product, it was created using PowerPoint. So these are the PowerPoint slides. And of course ChatGPT. And these were some of the prompts used in the product. So if you want to do something similar and you want to create a digital product which can sell online, then why not come onto one of my workshops and I'll show you exactly how to do that.